Let me flip the switch, nigga. You is not a big nigga. Who the fuck is this, nigga? I don't fuck with them niggas. We still got them blicks, nigga. Act up, you get hit, nigga. We ain't for your wig, nigga. That shit gon' get split, nigga. Hey, who is he beefing with? I'm making this money, I'm not with the beefing shit. I'm quick to delete a bitch. A quick behind bar, I don't even wanna see the bitch. No, I do not need a bitch. A hoe for the stars, but I can just read a bitch. No, I do not need a bitch. A hoe for the stars, but I can just read a bitch. Bitch, I'm back, never left. I'm the GOAT, bitch, I'm the best. These niggas Fargo call the referee. These are shots right from the tech. They call me Ralph, was catching whack. I'm feeling good, collecting check. And I'm up now, fuck who up next. And I don't even mean to flex. I thought that niggas was real. I thought that niggas would keep it so chill. I thought they wouldn't switch sides for the skill. I thought they speaking on me, that you kill them. I thought we never fold, that we won't change. I thought the law catch you, then you don't sing. I thought we stand up through all of the pain. Shit, crazy little nigga, I thought we was gang. Whoa, whoa, bitch, we bang low key, 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 hey. Sneaks and felines, I'm the leader, nigga, I don't rock Adidas. I'm JV, it's nice to meet ya. I need 10 racks for a feature. My shit buzzing like a beeper. They banging me out, they speak.
Yeah. Pulayne, 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 pulayne. So he can wash all the pain away. Everybody staring at me like I did something wrong. Again I sip it, so I keep on singing my song. And I say, pulayne, pulayne, pulayne. So he can wash all the pain away. Everybody staring at me like I did something wrong. Again I sip it, so I keep on singing my song. And I say, pulayne, pulayne, pulayne. So he can wash all the pain away. I know you wish that you had your hands on a steering wheel, so you can control the most and never let him kill. Pulayne, pulayne, pulayne. So he can wash all the pain away. Everybody staring at me like I did something wrong. Again I sip it, so I keep on singing my song. And I say, pulayne, pulayne, pulayne. So he can wash all the pain away.
Comme le sexe orgie, coup parfumé par la presse connerie. Ça sent la mèche, un flash à la Daesh, sorry. De Sèche à la Las Vegas, on est crève, homie. Bouge ta tête, oh oui. Faut qu'on fasse la fête avant que tout pète, même le temps de sexe cogit. Avant que Kim Jong joue au ping-pong avec Donald Trump se prenne pour King Kong. Lâche une bombe atomique, que Dieu nous bénisse. Beatbox, rim shock, B-boys, graffé, bête de public. C'est tout simplement hip-hop, format people, format East Coast, West Coast. C'est la même famille, vivre le moment présent. Que t'es 15 ou 30 ans, chaque son nous emmène dans un rêve d'enfant. Merde, t'entends, le rap n'est pas tête, non, non. Chaque seconde, faut qu'on croit sur leur merde. Fonce dans la mêlée, tout le temps à gueuler. Cache ta télé, elle nous rend fêlés. Barre de voir, leurs ennemis sont tout
Oh, can't anybody see? We've got a war to fight. We never find our way, regardless of what they say. How can it feel this wrong? From this moment, how can it feel this wrong? Stone in the morning light.
Who would have thought? Reason I do this, tryna reach out to people like you, kid. Choose Christ any day. Run is this guy. Run is this guy. Truth when I spit rhymes. To live is Christ, to die is gain, is what I live by. Choose Christ any day more than a rich life. Truth when I spit rhymes. I just follow what the Holy Spirit inside resides. Highway to heaven is not a free ride. Christian walk is not a hitchhike. Run is this guy who needs your prayers, needs to get right before he backslide, before he runs the red light. I wish I could turn back the hands of time. I'd spend it with God. I could do things right this night. Things like coming back home at midnight, drunk from fist fights. I'd give tithes. I could do sermons with this mic, despite the discouragement. It's a blessing in disguise. Ladies and gentlemen, I could be flourishing if I stop comparing myself with the next guy. Start looking forward to the next life. Reason I do this, tryna reach out to people like you, kid. How do I do this? This is my pulpit. Who would have thought me doing this? Yeah, I know, would have said you ludicrous. Cause of God, I'm doing this. First I let my conscience win. It got me out the mess I was in. Listen, God is my next of kin. The word is my blueprint. God is my witness. Christ is king. He loves me like I've never been. He died so I can live out of sin. I was never clean. God is good on fire like gasoline. Jesus died in public. And you pray